Hi, my name is Kristen Keelan and I am from the Office of Financial Aid and Scholarships. Congratulations on your admittance to UC Santa Barbara and welcome. Hopefully this video addresses all your questions and concerns about financial aid. You only need to complete one financial aid application for the academic year, either the FAFSA or the DREAM application. The free application for Federal Student Aid, or FAFSA, is for U.S. citizens and eligible non-citizens. The DREAM app is for undocumented students. The priority deadline for both applications is March 2nd, and you must renew your application every year. After completing the appropriate app, you'll be awarded aid based on your financial need. Awards vary year to year based on changes to a family's circumstances and to the cost of attendance. To check your FAFSA status, please visit our website and log into your MyAid status using your UCSB Net ID and password. Each year, we must verify financial information for certain students. If we require documents from you, we will send you an email notification. You may view any required documents and their due date on tab 3 of MyAid status. Failure to submit your documents on time could result in limited aid eligibility. We will process files throughout the summer as we receive them. The Financial Aid Award Letter will show you your eligibility for a combination of federal, state, and institutional aid, including Pell Grant, UCSB Grant, Cal Grant, Work Study, and loans. To check your Cal Grant eligibility, which is determined by the California Student Aid Commission, please visit webgrantsforstudents.com. The types of loans you may receive are direct student loans, Parent Plus loans, and Perkins loans. We have already begun releasing award letters. If we require documentation from you, please keep in mind there will be additional processing time before your award letter is released. You may view your letter on tab 4. You may accept your loans from the time you receive your award letter until the end of May of next year. Grants are automatically accepted, therefore no action is required. You may accept your direct and Perkins loans by accessing the Student Loan Request form on tab 5. For information and application instructions regarding the Parent Plus loan, please select tab 6. Parents can apply for the Plus loan through the federal student loan site as indicated on that tab. For all initial federal loans, students and parents must complete a master promissory note, and students must also complete entrance counseling. Each quarter, a portion of the grants and accepted loans will disperse to a student's BARC account, as long as the student is enrolled in at least 6 units. Direct and Perkins loans will not disperse until the master promissory note and entrance counseling have been completed. Plus loans will be dispersed directly to BARC or by check to the borrower based on what the parent indicated on the application. Visit tab 7 to see which aid has dispersed and which has not, and to see any outstanding requirements for undispersed aid. All university charges, like fees, housing, and library fines, are posted to a student's BARC account. Refunds are intended for educational expenses not charged on BARC, such as books and transportation. A student will be mailed a paper check to their local address indicated on gold unless the student enrolls in e-refund with the BARC office, which is recommended. E-refund ensures that the refund is sent directly to the student's bank account. Financial aid is first applied to student charges, and any remaining credit is refunded to the student. This refund process begins in late September, no earlier than 7 days before the quarter begins. If your financial situation has changed since you filed the FAFSA, our office can review your circumstances and may be able to recalculate your expected family contribution. Some examples of situations where recalculation might occur are loss of income and/or employment, divorce, or high out-of-pocket medical expenses. Requests for review forms are available in early August on our website. The Blue and Gold Opportunity Plan is the UC commitment that ensures that families with a total income of $80,000 or less have their tuition covered by grants and scholarships. All sources of scholarship and grant awards, including federal, state, institutional, and private sources, will count towards covering fees and meeting the Blue and Gold Opportunity Plan commitment. Since tuition is already covered for Cal Grant recipients, these recipients will not receive additional funds for Blue and Gold. Starting in the 2014-15 academic year, the Middle Class Scholarship Program will provide scholarships to undergraduate students with family incomes up to $150,000. The goal of this funding is to provide scholarships that help cover up to 40% of UC's system-wide tuition and fees. However, until the 2017-18 academic year, when the program is fully phased in, the maximum amounts will be lower. Eligibility is determined by the California Student Aid Commission, and award amounts are determined after a student is awarded any federal Pell Grant, Cal Grant, and the UCSB grant. Access to student records and documents must be controlled to ensure integrity, security, and confidentiality. The Family Educational Rights and Privacy Act, or FERPA, protects student information. In order for a parent or third party to obtain a student's financial aid information, the student must complete a consent to release form listing that parent or third party. This form is available on our website and in our office and must be renewed every year. If you have any questions or need any assistance, please come visit us. Our office is on the second floor of the Student Affairs Building, right above the Visitor Center. We look forward to helping you succeed at UCSB, and we hope we can ease a bit of your stress along the way. Good luck, future Gauchos!